GPRS operation instruction. Preparation tools, screwdriver, GPRS data collector manual. 1. Connect the inverter to the battery or power grid. 2. Installing the GPRS data collector. Pay attention to the installation direction of GPRS and tighten GPRS with a screwdriver. 3. Turn on the inverter. Wait for the GPRS for lights to light up. 4. Open the browser and enter the website to access the GPRS data collector webpage. Select English as the display language. Register and log in according to the instructions. And you can see the inverter information on this website. You can also cast the running data to the TV screen.